Welcome back on my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, hello po, my name is Ybeth. For today's video, it's a very exciting one. If you're following me on my social media accounts, you might already know na I'm very maalaga to my hair. Like, I'm very particular sa mga hair products na ginagamit ko. Like, for example, kung ano yung hair condition or yung hair problem ko. Kasi, of course, hair, di ba? Nagbabago naman siya from time to time. There are months or days na parang feeling mo frizzy siya. There are days or months na parang ang dami mong hair fall. So, ako, I'm very particular kung ano yung nafe-feel ko or napapansin ko na problem ng hair ko. Naghahanap ako ng hair products na talagang makaka-help to resolve that hair concern. I really take good care of my hair talaga. And a lot of my friends, yung mga schoolmates ko before, and yung mga office mates ko, they always tell na, alam mo yung pag sinusuklay nila or tinatalian nila ako or binibraid nila yung hair ko, lagi nila sinasabi na ang lambot nga daw, walang sabit, ganun, and mabango nga. And it is because nga of the hair products that I really use. And I wanna take this opportunity kasi 4 PM pa yung appointment ko sa salon. So it's just 3 PM. So let me introduce to you guys the newest addition to my hair care essentials. So this is Hayr or the Hayr Conditioner. Ito yung pinaka-latest na conditioner na ginagamit ko. It has biotin, collagen, and B-complex. So the main benefits of this hair conditioner, as they claim, it helps with the hair loss. It helps your hair to become fuller, bouncier, thicker. Ito yung recent conditioner na ginagamit ko. I've been using this for a month.
This bottle of hair conditioner, guys, it has 250 ml, and the product itself, as you can see, it is color white. The consistency is thick, pero hindi siya malagkit after you wash off your hair. Like any other conditioner, after application, you may comb or massage it to your hair for 2 to 3 minutes. Then after that, you may rinse it off and enjoy all the benefits that you may see after 3 weeks.
So what I can say about this product is I am really impressed because I'm not really expecting too much. Kasi diba, conditioner parang almost same lang naman lahat ng hair conditioner out there. But I'm really impressed with this one because one of my main concern with my hair is talagang hair loss or hair fall rather. Kasi every time na, alam mo yung after taking a bath, kapag nagsusuklay ako or after kong mag-shower, alam mo yung makikita mo sa floor yung mga hair fall mo. And when I use this, siguro after mga 2 to 3 weeks ko, napansin na talagang after kong mag-shower, onti na lang yung hair fall, onti na lang yung nakikita ko sa bed ko na hair, sa towel ko, or after kong mag-brush, mag-comb ng hair, and sa floor, after ko rin mag-take a bath, talagang nalesan yung hair loss ko. And then, no kidding guys, talagang ang lambot and super bango niya sa hair. Isa siya sa mga conditioner na talagang ang lambot sa hair, and isa siya sa pinakamabango. Like, for your reference, I have a normal hair, but it doesn't matter if you have dry, oily, curly, or colored bleach hair because this hair conditioner, it targets and it is really made for all types of hair. So if you're looking for a hair product na makaka-help with your hair loss problem, hair fall problem, or gusto mo yung hair mo na mas fuller, bouncier, yung parang healthy na ganyan. Alam mo yung sinasabi nila na parang hair mo is parang buhay na buhay, or you want your hair to be fuller, thicker, you might wanna try this hair conditioner. Actually, meron din tong hair shampoo, parang partner or tandem sila. In-add to cart ko na silang dalawa, hair conditioner and yung shampoo. I will try it na rin. So, I'll be putting the complete details, ingredients, and link for this hair product, for the hair conditioner, and then yung shampoo na rin sa description box ko below. So, you might wanna check it out. I-add to cart nyo na and sabay-sabay tayo mag-check out on this coming 12/12 sale.
So we're finally here, guys, at Pretty Cut Salon, located at 1699 Alvarez Street, corner Felix Huertas. By the way, guys, this is the very first time na magpapa-hair balayage or hair bleach ako. Like, puro rebond lang ako before. Parang 3 to 4 times ako nagpa-rebond. So at this very point of time, kinakabahan ako. Wish me luck. So that's me, guys, showing the hair balayage or the color or the hair inspiration that I saw on the internet that I wanted my hair to look like after this treatment. To start off the treatment, we begin with L'Oreal Foil Bleaching, and we all know, guys, that hair bleaching is one of an essential part para ma-achieve natin yung hair color na gusto natin. But on the other hand, we all know as well that hair bleaching has side effects or downside because hair bleach are substance or chemicals that breaks yung protein sa hair natin para mawala or ma-break niya yung black color so that magiging lighter yung hair natin and mas ma-achieve natin yung hair color na gusto natin. Hair bleaching may also cause dryness, frizziness, or yung pagiging brittle ng hair after. Kaya it's been 1 year na talagang I'm contemplating worth it ba tong hair balayage, hair bleaching na to na ma-achieve ko yung ganitong hair color na gusto ko. But after possible masira or mamatay yung hair ko, but I said, okay, it's time for a change. New year, new hair look, go, punta na sa hair salon. But I said to myself, guys, na since there's a high chance or high possibility talaga na masira or mamatay yung hair ko after hair balayage, I have to prepare my hair. I have to make my hair stronger, thicker. One of the reason na rin why I tried and used the hair conditioner, yung pinakita ko sa inyo before. And guess what, guys? Yung hairstylist ko, si Ate Dimples, she keeps mentioning during our hair balayage treatment na normally parang nagiging brittle or weak talaga yung hair after ng hair bleaching. But in my case, yung hair ko daw is parang strong, ang kapal, parang hindi agad siya nasira as in yung hair bleach. Huge thanks to Hayr Conditioner. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know on the comment section what do you think of my hair color, and if you have any hair color recommendation na pwede kong i-try in the future. Thank you as well, Pretty Cat Hair Salon, for helping me to achieve this hair look. If you guys are interested na magpa-hair balayage or hair bleach, you might want to visit Pretty Cat Hair Salon. And don't forget to use hair shampoo and hair conditioner to have a stronger and thicker hair in preparation for hair bleaching. That's it, guys. If you do, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!